Hello and welcome to today's mini test, the last one of the math chapter, as physics chapter will have some changes in that regard. But as opposed to others, today we'll just do something very easy, because up until now I was testing you with harder stuff. Now we can finally get on to the easier stuff. Just solving examples. So for instance, this is the mini test for those of you who came here to solve it. Let's go ahead into solving. For those of you who just want to solve it alone, here it is. You can pause and solve it. Otherwise, let's get ahead into it. First, to find the determinant. So, determinant of matrix A marked as absolute value of the number arrangement. I do the numbers. This one's falling to the left, so it's minus. This one's falling to the right, so it's plus. So, blue marked are positive, purple marked are negative. I multiply these two together and these two together, and just solve. And 10 is the result. So I think the main problem here was if you figured out that you use the diagonals, that this one is positive because it's falling towards the right, and this one is negative because it's falling to the left, and then just add all of it together. That's it. For the second one, here we're just adding two matrices. So how do we do this? We just add up elements in the same position. So these two are added together, these two are added together, these two are added together, and these two are added together. So 2 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 6 plus 7, 8 plus 9, and that's 5 and 13 on the left half, and 9 and 17 on the right one, and this is the result. Easy. Now, a bit slightly harder, but still not that hard. Transform the vector V with the matrix B. So first we will rewrite the vector as a matrix, and now we will write the matrix first and multiply the vector to it to get the result. Now we just use the rule to mark the rows of the first one and then the columns here. First element, first element, first element, first element, second element, second element, second element. Basically like this. So 2 times 4 plus 1 times 2 for the first row, because this is the first row. And then 0 times 4 plus 3 times 2 for the second row, because this is the second row. And we get 8 plus 2 over 0 plus 6. And we get 10, 6 as our vector. So here is the resulting vector and its matrix form, and that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's mini test. I hope everything was clear. If not, comment down below. And stay tuned, because the next chapter of my content will be hopefully a step up from what this was, and we can get more into descriptions and take more time on explanations. And even be more interactive. Maybe I'll do... if you comment down below on some physics concepts you want me to cover, because I can go more into fun fact videos and stuff like that, I'll gladly do so. So just do that, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!